Welcome back on Continuing the News. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we explore the growth of Fontana Pharmacy, which recently acquired Monarch Pharmacy. Here's Deidre Thomas.
Chang beams with pride as she stands beside the sign of a household brand that is more than just a pharmacy.
Fontana is actually named after me. It was started in Mandeville and there was a fountain there, and it was the year I was born, and so they named it Fontana. So we started in Mandeville and then we slowly made our way across. So it was Mandeville, Montego Bay, which Montego Bay was really a game changer for us. Then we opened Save, Ocherius, Kingston, and then Portmore, and then the Monarchs.
The acquisition of these 4 Monarch locations are now the prescription for building on the legacy of the company.
We felt really strongly that it was a good synergy with us. I know people are like, oh, some of them are so close, but you live in Kingston. Kingstonians don't like to wait. They don't like to be inconvenienced. So I think these Monarchs are going to just really enhance the customer experience. So it's going to take 3 to 6 months before they really look and feel like a Fontana. So we're going to take our time, and also we have to assess, with what type of clientele, what do they want, that sort of thing. But we do have very specific plans for all of them.
Broadening its palette by merging beauty with business in a matter of days, the company will also become the official retailer for the global luxury brand Fenty Beauty. And in the same breath, they're introducing Aura, a foray into the world of premium cosmetics.
We developed Aura. So we hope to get more brands like this, more international brands. So in addition to Fenty, we've been doing very well with perfume. So we're going to have some nice ones. Like we're going to launch with Prada, Thierry Mugler, Narciso Rodriguez.
Although generating over $2 billion in sales for the September quarter of 2024, Fontana isn't immune to challenges.
It's meshing the cultures for one, communication to make sure that it's getting to everybody. It's a lot of people to communicate with. Distribution. We're like a small distribution company now, but we're not a distribution company. So to, make sure the right goods are in the right place, it's a lot of inventory to be moving around.
With over 600 staff members across 11 locations, Ms. Chang shares what helps to keep the brand top of the mind.
When people ask me, I always say it's because we're not complacent. We never think that how we're doing something is the only way to do it, or that there isn't a better way to do it. We're always striving to, innovate, to be the leaders. We rarely try to be followers. We always try to be the leader. And one of our goals, actually, when everybody says it's like foreign, I feel like it should be like a Jamaica. Like everybody should look like Fontana.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.